Halo semuanya, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar. Kalian harus berani. Nah, kali ini kita masuk ke unit 23 mengenai pembahasan I will sama I'm going to. Jadi sebelumnya I will sama I'm going to ini udah dibahas juga, tapi ini kita akan compare ya lebih lebih dalam lagi. Kita langsung aja bagian A. Jadi ini adalah future action di mana kita akan membandingkan will dan be going to. Contoh nih. Sarah is talking to Helen. Sarah bilang, "Let's have a party." Helen, "That's a great idea. We'll invite we'll invite lots of people." Okay. We will invite. We use will invite to announce, untuk memberikan informasi keputusan baru. The party is a new idea. Kan tadi party itu juga dicetuskan baru-baru aja kan. Nah, jadi decision now and the future. Nah, sedangkan kalau misalnya later that day, setelah hari itu Helen meets Max. Nah, ketemu sama si Max ini, si Helen ini ya Helennya. Nah, katanya Sarah and I have decided to have a party, katanya gitu. Sarah dan aku memutuskan untuk mengadakan sebuah pesta gitu kan. We're going to invite lots of people, kata si Helen. Nah, we're going to invite tadi itu kita mengatakan already decided to do something. Jadi kita decide-nya udah agak lewat dari sekarang. Nah, jadi memang masih in the future tapi decide-nya sebelum in the past gitu ya kira-kira. Jadi dengan kata lain, kalau misalnya will itu masih new decision atau kayak misalnya belum ada perencanaan, sedangkan kalau going to dia udah decisionnya itu in the past, kita udah ada perencanaan sebelumnya ya. Ini kita bandingkan. Gary has been trying to contact you. Has he? Okay, I'll call him. Nah, kemudian Gary has been trying to contact you. Yes, I know. I'm going to call him. Nah, dia memutuskan baru saja. Oh ya, aku akan menelponnya. Kan itu dia kayak memberitahukan new decisionnya ya, baru saat itu. Tapi kok bilang yes, I know, aku udah tahu. Dia udah memutuskan untuk menelpon si Gary tadi gitu ya. Kemudian, Anna is in hospital. Really? I didn't know. I'll go and visit her. Dia baru tahu. Kemudian dia ngasih pengumuman dia akan mengunjungi temannya si Anna itu. Kemudian kalau selanjutnya, Anna is in hospital. Yes, I know. I'm going to visit her this evening. Nah, I'm going to visit tadi udah direncanakan. Bahkan dia udah bilang this evening gitu ya. Kemudian yang B, future happenings and situations, predicting the future. Future happenings and situation, kita akan memprediksi masa depan. We use both will and going to for the future happenings and situation. Dua-duanya itu memang untuk di masa depan. Nah, bisa kita ngomong kayak gini. I think the weather will be nice later. Or I think the weather is going to be nice later. Kemudian itu boleh ya. Kita bisa bilang those shoes are well made. They'll last a long time. Or these shoes are well made. They're going to last a long time. Kayak tahan lama gitu ya. Kemudian kita mengatakan it's going to happen, sesuatu yang akan terjadi. We believe this because of the situation now. Kita percaya ini karena situasi sekarang. What is happening now? Apa yang terjadi sekarang menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu akan terjadi di masa depan. Contohnya, look at those black clouds. It's going to rain. Not will rain, karena kita udah memprediksikan itu bakal datang gitu ya. We can see that it's going to rain karena tadi the black clouds are in the sky now. Nah, jadi kayak kita memprediksi masa depan gitu ya. Nah, coba kita bandingkan. Ya itu. Kita compare nih. We're going to be late. The meeting starts in 5 minutes and it takes 15 minutes to get there. Nah, dari pernyataan ini udah jelas meet-nya dimulai 5 menit lagi, sedangkan itu membutuhkan 15 menit untuk sampai ke sana. Dan ya, kita nggak punya waktu cukup. We don't have enough time to get there. Tapi bisa aja kita bilang compare gini, Jane will be late for the meeting. Si Jane ini akan telat untuk pertemuan ini. She's always late. Karena dia emang orangnya suka telatan tuh. I believe this because I know that Jane is like seperti itu dia gitu ya. I'm going to unit 20 bisa dicek. Will unit 212. Kemudian kita akan masuk exercise. Jadi 23.1 complete the sentences using will atau singkatan I'll gitu, be going to. Kemudian why are you turning on the TV? I'm going to watch TV. I'm going to watch the news. Oke. Kemudian I forgot my wallet. I don't have any money. Not to worry, I'll lend you. Kenapa? Karena baru itu juga dia tahu akan itu kan, dia nggak bawa dompet gitu kan. Why are you filling that bucket with water? With water. I'm going to wash. Karena udah jelas kan kenapa dia ngisi, ya karena dia mencuci, bukan aku mau mencuci tiba-tiba gitu kan. Nomor 4 and 4, I don't know how to use the washing machine. It's easy. Karena dia nggak tahu, aku akan memperlihatkan ya. Tapi dia kan nggak berencana untuk itu, tiba-tiba aja kan, spontan. Berarti I'll show you. I'll show you. Nah, number 5, I've decided to paint this room. Aku memutuskan untuk mengecat ruangan ini. That's nice. What color are you going to paint? Are you going to paint? Nah, karena kan dibilang I've decided, berarti warna pun udah ditentukan dong gitu ya. Number 6, where are you going? Are you going shopping? Yes, I'm going to buy something for dinner tonight. Aku akan membeli sesuatu untuk makan malam. What would you like to eat? I'll have a pizza please. Oke. Karena saat itu ya tiba-tiba, this food doesn't taste very good, does it? No, it's horrible. I'm not going to finish it. Nah, kemudian number 9, Tom is starting an evening class next month. Si Tom ini mulai kelas malam bulan depan. Is she? Apakah benar? What is he going to study? Or what's he going to, ya pas lah ya. Kemudian nomor 10, did you call Lisa? Apakah kamu nelpon Lisa? Oh no, I completely forgot. Berarti kan saat ini dia memutuskan, berarti I'll call her now. Oke. Kemudian number 11, has Dan decided what to do when he leaves school? Yes, everything is planned. First, he's going to, karena kan udah di plan ya, harus going to lah. He's going to have a holiday for a few weeks, sama then he's going to do a management training course. Oke. Sip ya. Kemudian 23.2, kita membaca situasi dan melengkapi kalimat menggunakan will atau going to juga. You want some coffee? You go to the kitchen to make some. You say to your friends, I'm going to make some coffee. Would you like some? Would you like some? You're speaking to a friend and arranging to meet. Okay. You suggest a time and place. Will kemudian berarti I will ya, I'll see you, kan pakai ini ya, I'll see you, ini kan is okay. You have decided to sell your car. Kamu sudah memutuskan untuk menjual. You tell a friend of yours. You say, I don't need my car anymore. I'm going to sell it. Kok double E sih? Sell it. Okay. Number 4. Your friend is worried because she has lost her driving license. SIM-nya hilang. Terus kita bilang, don't worry, I'm sure I'll find it. You're going to find. Okay. Kemudian 5A. You have an old camera that is broken. Okay. You have decided to throw it away. You tell your friends, this camera is broken. I'm going to throw it away. Okay. Yang B, 5B, your friends love and collects old cameras. He doesn't want you to throw it away. Don't throw it away. I'll have it. Aku akan mengambilnya gitu, menyimpannya. Kemudian number 6A, Joe has to go to the airport tomorrow. He doesn't know how to get there. Amy offers to take him. Amy says, don't worry about getting to the airport, Joe. I'll take you. Kemudian later that day, Paul offers to take Joe to the airport. Joe tells him that it's not necessary. Thanks, Paul, but Amy is going to take me, karena kan udah janji sama si Amy, udah di plan sebelumnya gitu ya. Kemudian 23.3, which goes with which, yang mana yang dicocokkan ya. Yang pertama, why don't you come to the party with us? Kemudian jawabannya, you'll enjoy it. Okay. That sailing looks dangerous. Kemudian sailing itu apaan ya? Mohon maaf ya. Sailing. Langit. It's going to. Oh, kita lewat dulu. He's looking very tired. I think he's going to fall asleep. Nomor 3H ya. Okay. Nomor 4, this table is too big. I don't think it will fit in the room. Ya kan, G. Kok gitu mudah ya. Kemudian 5, the weather forecast is good. It's going to be a nice day. C. Kemudian 6, Jack is very determined. He'll get what he wants. A ya. 6A. Kemudian nomor 7, they are building a new skyscraper. Nah itu, it's going to be 200 meter. 8, I haven't seen Ben for age. He probably won't remember me. B. Yang kemudian ya nomor 2, that sailing looks danger. It looks as if it's going to fall down. Oh iya bener ya, terlihat akan jatuh, kira-kira seperti itu. Nah itu aja guys pembahasan kali ini. Semangat ya semua. Aku juga harus semangat upload videonya biar selesai 145 ini. Keep learning guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.